Century, the original standard, raises the bar for energy, efficiently powering your pool pump with the new VGreen Evo variable speed pool pump motor. Pool motors that run all the time just don't cut it anymore. Single-speed motors run around the clock, wasting precious energy and money. Want a pool pump motor that is better for the environment and your wallet? You got it. The VGreen Evo motor is driven by advanced variable speed technology to power the most energy-efficient and compliant pool pumps in the industry, helping our customers meet or exceed the latest DOE regulations. The VGreen Evo is engineered to be up to 80% more efficient than the traditional single-speed motor, leaving your old motor in the deep end. Choosing an energy-efficient pool motor has never been easier. Designed to be a direct drop-in replacement, the VGreen Evo fits nearly every pool pump on the market. Complicated programming is a thing of the past. Once installed, programming is as easy as the push of a button. Yes, you heard that right, just one button. The VGreen Evo can be optimized to run during times that make sense. The VGreen Evo has been engineered to protect against the harsh outdoors and certified and tested to keep your pool running efficiently for years to come. Now your VGreen Evo motor is even better, introducing the Century Connect automation mode built into every new VGreen Evo motor. This functionality enables your motor to flawlessly communicate with most automation systems. For a full list of compatible systems or to find out more, visit our website. Don't settle for less. Ask for a Century motor with the new Century Connect automation mode today.